Education will open doors. This is you. This is your future. And these are your options. You can write your own story, so how do you know which way to go? Enter CTE, Career Technical Education, helping you open doors. Business Management and Administration. This business and industry endorsement is an academic track that allows a student to focus deeply on courses directly related to the field of business management and administration. Students who have an entrepreneurship passion to create their own business should consider this endorsement. And these are just a few careers associated with this program of study. And these are just a few colleges and universities that specialize in fields in this endorsement. Dual enrollment classes are also available in this endorsement. These are certifications offered by this endorsement. You can join a club.
Business Management and Administration is my class, while Business and Industry is my endorsement. You should join.